Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. RBI to issue new Rs 100 notes, 5 things you should know about it. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, will issue Rs 100 denomination banknotes in the Mahatma Gandhi, new, series with RBI Governor Urjit Patel's signature. The new denomination has a motif of Rani Ki Vav on the reverse, depicting the country's cultural heritage, an RBI press note said. Rani Ki Vav is a step well located on the banks of Saraswati River in Gujarat's Patan. It said the base color of the note is lavender and the dimension of the new Rs 100 banknote will be 66 mm into 142 mm. Here are 5 other features the new note will have. For visually impaired people, the note will feature a raised printing of Mahatma Gandhi's portrait, Ashoka Pillar emblem and a raised triangular identification mark. The reverse side of the note will have the Swachh Bharat logo with slogan and the year of printing on the left of it. The front side will have a windowed security thread with the inscription Bharat in Hindi and RBI with color shift. The color of the thread changes from green to blue when the note is tilted. Ashoka Pillar emblem on the right and the RBI emblem to the right of the Mahatma Gandhi portrait. Rs 100 is printed in Devanagari on both sides of the note. It will also have RBI, Bharat, India, and 100 inscribed in micro letters. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.